If you're an AI pro sick of generic LLM outputs, this is for you. Stop jumping straight into prompt engineering. Let's talk about the game-changing step you're skipping. Before you start crafting those clever prompts, take a beat and engineer your context first. Here's the trick. Feed your LLM both the job description and the candidate's resume. Why? Because this sets an ultra-specific scene for your AI and narrows the focus to exactly what matters: compatibility and fit. By embedding contexts like skills, experience, and requirements, you help the AI understand nuances, not just keywords. This means way better outputs, smarter matches, and fewer generic answers. Think of it as prepping your canvas before you paint. Prompt engineering is powerful, but only when you start with the right context. This technique transforms your results, whether you're screening candidates, summarizing qualifications, or generating interview questions. So next time, don't just jump to prompts. Engineer your context first. Use the JD and resume as your foundation. You'll get sharper results and more value from your LLM every single time. Try it out and watch your AI outputs level up.